Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can unpublish a Wix website. So if you have a website that is published and you want to unpublish it for some reason, it is very simple. So go to the site that you want to unpublish and press select an edit site, and it will open up a new page. So it will basically take you to your dashboard. Here you have to do is you have to press this edit site button, and it will open up a new window in your browser, and here you can unpublish your Wix website. Alright guys, once your website is loaded, all you have to do is press this publish button. Actually, you don't have to press it. Hover your mouse cursor over this button and you'll get all of these options. You don't have to press this button, but just take your mouse cursor over this button and you get these options. Now you can press this unpublish site button at the end, and that will unpublish your Wix website. Now it may take a while for everything to load up, but this way you can unpublish your Wix website. So give it some time and you will be able to unpublish your Wix website. As you can see here, our site is published as it says. Now we can press this unpublish button and press unpublish, and that's it. Alright guys, as you can see now it says that the site is unpublished. So this is how you unpublish a site in Wix.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.